Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to enable public profile option in Snapchat. Guys, it is a very simple method. Please follow this step. First of all, open Snapchat application appears on screen. Here you can see, simply tap on top right corner profile icon. Here you can see I have no profile option. You can see appears on screen. Simply tap on setting option, and here scroll down privacy control section. First number, contact me. Tap on everyone, go back, and guys, send me notification everyone, and then view my story everyone, and guys, scroll down, see my location. Ghost mode enable from here. You can see appears on screen. Ghost mode enable from here, and guys, you can see appears on screen. And guys, after this you must have 18 plus age. You were select from here birthday. You can see appears on screen. And guys, and now your account verify, email verify, must be verify your email address on Snapchat account. And guys, go back, and here close this window and open Snapchat application again, and here tap on profile icon, wait for a few seconds. Here you can see appears on screen. Scroll down, here you can see public profile option. You can see appears on screen. Tap on here and tap on continue, tap on get started, tap on create. You can see appears on screen. Simply tap on my profile option, new. Here you can see appears on screen my profile option available. You can see appears on screen successfully created. Here now you can add your cover photo and profile picture. You can see appears on screen. And please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.